Today in this video, we will be discussing about business journalism, the meaning of business journalism, the need for business journalism, the responsibilities of business journalism, how to become a business journalist, and following with we will be understanding a case studies, rather an example of a leading business journalist. Unlike other form of journalism, business journalism is pretty much self-explanatory because the name clearly states that what kind of journalism is this. Business journalism. Journalism, all the news related to business are considered under this particular journalism. This area of journalism monitors, documents, examines, and analyzes the societal changes of business, financial activities, as well as the economic activities. It involves gathering of news. In this kind of business journalism, it involves the gathering of business news, quite obvious, and a business journalist must statistically analyze it. So we can say as far as business journalism is concerned, statistics is very much vital and important. Alright, vital and important, which I have already told. Now, why business journalism? What is the need of business journalism? First of all, it's provide financial literacy to the general mass. First and foremost objective of a journalist is to provide information, to educate the mass. Now, be it business journalism, agriculture journalism, art journalism, celebrity journalism, any form of journalism, the main objective of journalism is to aware the public, is to literate the public. Hence, business journalism first need is that to provide the financial literacy. Number two, by providing financial literacy, business journalism helps to develop the nation, helps to build the economy in a micro as well as macro level. Now, what is micro and macro? Micro means single individual, macro means economy as a whole. So, once we are aware of the financial part, then only we can dream of our economic stability. After economic stability, it comes that to support openness, accountability, and good governance, the control. RBI is monitoring the banks. SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India, is governing all the security activities like mutual funds, stocks, and all. It also ensures accurate coverage of financial events. Every financial news, financial events, how the market is reacting, is considered and is explained by the financial journalist. Now let's move on to the next part where we will be understanding about the responsibilities. The need and responsibilities is quite synonymous, right? So responsibilities of a business journalist, why business journalist is needed, and the responsibility part both goes hand in hand. So now let's check each and every responsibilities of the business journalist. They have to be specific with the current market scenario. They must report the news which the market, which the financial market readers wants to know. Their main responsibility is to compile informations and they must create a report. They must analyze. They must provide statistic informations which will be beneficial for the businessmen as well as for general public. Number three, they must also write on key individuals. The key point must be jotted down at a very specific way, at a very minimalistic way. Listicles is more preferable. As a result, business journalist creates analytical report. Before writing news stories, they must know what the world or what the businessmen, what the people wants to know, the research work, the target audience research, because business news, frankly, is not for everyone. Everyone is not interested in business news, but those who are interested in business news, hence, it is the role of the business journalist to provide the accurate and systematic report of the market because businessmen, it is being observed that they are having very less time because they have much to do in very little time. So time management, to just manage the time, they need to be more specific while reading that particular newspaper or particular news articles. Hence any business news, it is that it is being seen that every business news comes in the form of listicles, to the point, research and well developed news. This is the job of a business journalist. This is the main responsibility of a business journalist. With that, the question comes, how to become a business journalist? it is similar with other form of journalism. Number first thing, we need to have interest on the market, interest in business. And the rest points are same as other form of journalism. Interest, nose for news, hard working capability, courage and all. These all go same. But how to become a business journalist? The main thing is that we must be aware and we must know the business jargons, business terms. That means what is repo rate, what is bank rate, how the market works, what is share, what is mutual fund, and so on and so forth. Now let's quickly have a discussion on a case study. Sucheta Dalal, which we all know her as business journalist. The Harshad Mehta story or the famous scam 1992 is covered by Sucheta Dalal. She was a brilliant and she is a brilliant Indian business journalist. This some informations are stated over here. In case we are having some short note on Indian business journalists, we can write it down.